Imagine hearing your favorite sound every time your PC starts. It's a great way to make Windows 11 feel more personal. In this video, we'll use a quick and easy method that actually works to make that happen. Let's get started and bring some personality to your startup. Hey everyone, welcome back to the CNATT channel. Today, we are using a free and trusted third-party tool, Winaero Tweaker, to set a custom startup sound in Windows 11. This method is so by far the easiest and most reliable. Yes, it modifies a system file in the background, but Winaero Tweaker handles everything safely and automatically, so you don't have to do it manually. Now, if you're not a fan of using third-party software, we've also published other videos that show how to customize or enable the startup sound using built-in Windows methods. You'll find those links in the video description below. Important things to know first. Windows stores system sounds in the C Windows Media folder. But here's something interesting. The actual startup sound isn't in that folder. It's embedded inside a protected system file located at C Windows System Resources images.dll.mon. So editing it manually is risky and complicated. That's why we're going to use Winaero Tweaker, a powerful and trusted tool that makes this process super simple. The sound file used in this tutorial must be in .wav format. If you have an MP3 file, we recommend using a reliable online converter to change it to WAV. A good option is cloudconvert.com. It's free, safe, and easy to use. Alright, now that you know what's going on behind the scenes, let's go ahead and get started with the actual steps. Step 1. Download and install Winaero Tweaker. Open your browser and search for Winaero Tweaker. Look for the official Winaero Tweaker website in the results. It's usually at the top. Note, you may see two different websites in your search results. Winaero.com/Winaero-Tweaker and WinaeroTweaker.com. Don't worry, both are official and safe. They lead to the same trusted source where you can download the tool. Just make sure on either Winaero.com or WinaeroTweaker.com to avoid fake or unofficial copies. On the website, click the download button. A zip file will be downloaded to your computer. Once the download is complete, right-click the zip file and choose Extract All. Then open the extracted folder. Inside, you'll find two files: Winaero Tweaker setup.exe, the standard installer, silent setup.cmd, a batch file for silent or portable installations. If you want to automate the process, you can run the silent setup.cmd file, which installs the app silently using the default settings. You can also edit the file to choose a different installation mode. Open silent setup.cmd in Notepad. You'll see several options listed as comments. To enable one, remove the colon at the beginning of that line. Save the file and run it. In this tutorial, we'll use the standard method by running the .exe file directly. During installation, you'll be asked whether you want the regular installed version or the portable version, which doesn't require installation. Choose the option that best suits your needs. Once the installation is complete, let's move on and set up your custom startup sound using Winaero Tweaker. Step 2. Change the Windows 11 startup sound. After installation, launch Winaero Tweaker. In the license agreement window, click the I agree button. When prompted by user account control, click Yes. In the left-hand sidebar, scroll down and navigate to Appearance, Startup Sound. Here, you'll see a few important options. Play current sound to preview the current startup sound. Replace startup sound to choose your custom sound. Restore default sound to bring back the original Windows sound. Click on Replace startup sound and select your preferred .wav file. Then click Play current sound to preview your new sound. Make sure the checkbox for Enable Startup Sound is checked. Click Reboot now to test it. When your PC restarts, you should hear your custom startup sound play. Troubleshooting and restore default sound. If your custom startup sound doesn't play after rebooting, Windows may still have the startup sound option disabled at the system level. Here's how to enable it manually through the Settings app. Open the Settings app, go to Personalization, Themes, Sounds. In the Sounds tab, make sure the box for Play Windows Startup Sound is checked. Click Apply, then OK. Now restart your PC again. Your custom startup sound should play. To restore the default Windows startup sound, open Winaero Tweaker. In the left sidebar, go to Appearance, Startup Sound. Click Restore Default Sound. Make sure the Enable Startup Sound checkbox is ticked. Click Reboot now to restart your PC. After rebooting, the default Windows startup sound will be restored. And that's how you can easily set a custom startup sound in Windows 11 using Winaero Tweaker. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the CNATT channel, and hit the bell so you never miss out on future Windows tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.